Sanjay Jha, who are the 100 names who the Congress government gave amnesty to?
I have absolutely no idea on what.
Is it true they were given amnesty? Is there anything like that? Is this true?
All we know.
Is this true? Were people given amnesty?
No, 1 minute.
No, were people given amnesty? Because what happened is that you refused to set up an SIT. On top of it, did you give 100 people amnesty? Can the people of India know why? Who are these privileged people you give amnesty to?
Let me tell you, Arnab. Firstly, let me respond to your. No. Let me
was
respond
amnesty
to your
given?
SIT charge.
No. I'm not giving. Professor Vaidyanathan shared some. Professor Vaidyanathan.
Judicial overreach.
No. Don't change the subject. Were 100 people given amnesty? Were 100 people given amnesty?
I'm saying that even in the list of 800,
yes or no, were 100 people given amnesty?
Sent finally to people like Mr.
Did you give amnesty to 100 people?
I'm not aware of any such.
I'm not aware. Professor Vaidyanathan?
I am not aware of any such amnesty.
Professor Vaidyanathan, what is your source?
If he has any evidence, he can kindly submit it to the NDA government to take action to cancel that amnesty.
Professor Vaidyanathan, what is your source?
I mean, I have no idea what his allegations are all about.
I have given in my Twitter also, both Bloomberg and Reuters has reported about it. And the finance ministry at that point of time, the secretaries and various other people were in hush-hush tones. And they even refused to respond to many of the questions put by these international agencies.
So, Mr. Vaidyanathan, kindly take the issue and go to Mr. Jaitley, ask him to cancel the amnesty, but you can't make wild
allegations. Did you give amnesty?
Is he telling,
without
Sanjay Jha,
documentary
Sanjay
evidence
Jha
of the amnesty being given by the finance
I am very amazed.
I am not aware of it. But
the bigger issue, kindly tell the gentleman
I'll tell you,
not to advise other people.
I'll tell you the reason why the BJP is not disclosing
Arnab,
names.
I will tell you one
because
thing.
One of the
will you give me 1 minute, Arnab?
No, Mr. Sanjay Jha, the state where Mr. Vaidyanathan is living. And we all know when the BJP was in Karnataka,
he should ask
how
his
much
then
of
finance
mining
minister.
Scam happened.
Professor Vaidyanathan is saying that before the elections,
which is why they are not.
Professor Vaidyanathan is saying that according to his information, several people were given amnesty by the UPA government. Now, I have a report.
Correct.
I have a report. It's not just, it's a 2012 July report, which says that India has offered amnesty to more than 100 wealthy citizens who evaded taxes by hiding funds in accounts at HSBC Holdings Private Limited Swiss unit. The Income Tax Agreement Department has agreed not to start criminal proceedings or levy a penalty if the Indians repatriate the money from Geneva and pay the taxes, the official said, asking not to be identified because the information is confidential. Do you realize what a treachery this is? You see, you are giving an opportunity, Sanjay Jha. Is this happened? The amnesty, somebody cheats the country and you give them a way of getting away.
Arnab, this is not a report.
Yeah, this is serious.
This is not a report that we can discuss because the finance minister never substantiated that. Point number two. As far as the LGT Bank was concerned, let me tell you, penalties were imposed on the 16 names that were submitted, 26 names, 16 people were being investigated, penalties were imposed.
We are talking about the 100 names.
Even in the HSBC,
we are talking about the 100 names.
Mr. Burman got a notice in 2011.
We are talking about 100 names.
Let me tell you, if anybody's been given an amnesty, the finance ministry cannot do it without having a substantive reason.
So why are you not coming out?
If anybody believes it was wrong, they are free to contest it. So let me tell you, I cannot come out here on your questioning. If any of these reports that Mr. Vaidyanathan alleges is true, let Mr. Jaitley challenge it. For 5 months, this government has not said a word on that amnesty. So obviously, this government does not feel there was anything wrong if that amnesty statement is true. Because for 5 months, you have seen no real statement by Mr. Modi's government. And by the way, Mr. Aman Sinha, please answer, where are those 50,000 accounts that Baba Ramdev promised to get? Where are the 50,000 accounts of Mr. Baba Ramdev's allegations which you milked politically to win an election? Where is those 50,000 accounts?
Please allow me to
why
respond.
are you asking me that question?
No. Where is the 1 rupee of the entire black money that you are going to get to India in 100 days?
Why? Who are these people? And
the bigger issue remains
Sanjay Jha, 1 minute. I want to ask you, when one second,
Congress party showed monumental laxity in dealing with this issue of black money. If not for BJP, Mr. L.K. Advani who raised this issue, this would not have never come to light.
We signed the UN Convention Against Corruption,
only for the reason
the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Get to know your facts. Get to know your facts. We released names to the Supreme Court and the LGT Bank of Germany. We took action against HSBC Geneva accounts.
A double taxation avoidance
and what have you done for 5 months?
And voluntarily giving up, surrendering all the rights of India
and that is
source
the best
any
truth that you can't
information
dodge today.
Prior to 2006.
The BJP government of Mr. Modi has been beaten black and blue by the Supreme Court order.
Well, you know, Mr.
stand
Sanjay Jha,
today before
since
the
he has
people
nothing
of
to
India.
speak on substance,
you are red-faced
he is
today.
just trying to interrupt me.
Let me tell you, you can't dodge the issue
that
anymore.
Mr. Sanjay Jha
I think you are trying to prevent
surrendered all rights
names
of
who have
our
close
sovereign
proximity
country
to the Prime
secure
Minister,
any information
who have close proximity to your party,
2012
who may be probably
under a
funding
double
you.
taxation
And that is the reason why you are very, that's the reason why you are apprehensive, that's the reason why you are trying to dodge.
Sanjay Jha!
Keep on talking.
Yes,
Sanjay Jha!
That is the reason
Sanjay Jha!
this issue.
Sanjay Jha, 1 minute. The fact is...
That is the reason why you kept sleeping over it.
The fact is this.
That is the reason
1 minute. The fact is this. I have not got an answer. What I want to know is, how many of the 100 names who you gave amnesty to were politicians? How many of the 100 names you gave amnesty to were corporates? Were there any Congress politicians in that list? Were there relatives of Congress politicians in that list?
Arnab, I'm glad you asked me the question. I'm glad you asked me the question because all those names, amnesty given or not given, are account holders. Their names will have to be disclosed before the Supreme Court and nobody at all will escape a public scrutiny.
So you didn't reveal the names, come on, you know.
Red herring that Mr. Vaidyanathan has tossed in because the truth is all the names will be there before the Supreme Court.
Now,
and a question to Mr. Sinha, what has his government done for the past 6 months if they found there was anything suspicious about any account handled by the UPA government? I don't think he has any answers, Arnab. He hasn't even read the affidavit. He's only trying to dodge it by the usual rhetoric.
Yes, Mr. Sinha, quickly, 5 minutes left.
Answers only when you stop speaking. If you keep interrupting, nothing will come out.
No, I have stopped speaking. Be my guest. Go on.
The first day when this government took oath, the first decision of the cabinet was to constitute an SIT. In contrast, this Congress government did not even constitute an SIT for 4 years.
It was on the orders of the Supreme Court.
The moment the finance minister assumed office,
making a virtue of necessity.
Do not interrupt now. Do not interrupt.
Otherwise,
I will not allow you to speak.
No, I will interrupt you because you're lying.
Will you please let him continue?
And we will not allow you to lie to the people of India.
No, Mr. Jha, will you let him continue, please?
It was a Supreme Court order.
You just keep interrupting.
How can the BJP take credit for it?
You are totally bankrupt.
Mr. Jha, 1 minute.
Totally devoid of
Please
any
stop.
logic and substance. And you keep interrupting when others are speaking.
It's a lie with a capital L.
I did not interrupt and you are keeping, you have nothing to say and you are just interrupting.
2 minutes to go, let him speak.
For the people of India.
Oh yes, thank you. It shows, the kind of, the kind of breeding our Congress spokespersons have today. Yeah, yes. Your conduct is very well reflected before the whole country. Now the problem is, Arnab, that since Congress party and their cronies had hordes and hordes of money in Swiss banks, they surrendered all rights of getting any information from Swiss prior to 2012. They signed a treaty
1 minute to go
in 2012 whereby they surrendered all the rights. And the moment this government came in, it has started investigation in all these cases, and the CBDT, when it filed a report to SIT, they have given update of all these cases where investigations have progressed. And what is the state of investigation?
Okay, 1 second, last question. Yes, Atul Anjan.
Economic offenders.
The names.
No, I just want to tell you one thing. Yes, I just want to tell this BJP and Congress people are making allegations against each other. The question is this: why amnesty was given by the Congress party and why BJP kept mum for 5 months? And now the question is this: because the corporate houses, the big bureaucrats, The big Congress leaders were there, and today also in BJP, the BJP wants to shield corporate houses and bureaucrats, so they are not revealing the names. Now the Supreme Court has given order,
rejected.
And I think why
rejected.
the Congress and BJP
fact,
people are fighting. Now the matter is with the Supreme Court. SIT is working under the Supreme Court direction. All the names must know, must come out. And I said in your program, the names must be leaked. The nation must know if somebody's image is tarnished. We should not worry. They have betrayed the nation. So no problem. If somebody's name is...
Well, let us remember now. Let us remember now. Let us remember now, ladies and gentlemen, that if the names come out,
the chambers not to worry and try to shield the...
If the names come out,
black money holders, corporate houses.
If the names come out, the Congress won't get the credit. The BJP won't get the credit. Only the Supreme Court will get the credit. We have a big debate coming up at 9 p.m. Thank you for now. Thank you. See you in a few minutes.